Hey guys, it's iTalkApple, and today I'm reviewing iStopMotion2 Express by Boink Software. iStopMotion comes in three versions: Home, Express, and Pro. I'll have a link to this page where it shows all the features and comparisons and prices, but the iStopMotion Express version is $99 for a single license, and that is the one I'm reviewing. That's also the one I'll be giving away. So details on that at the end of the video, because this is the video where I tell you about how the giveaway is going to work. So right away when you load iStopMotion, it'll ask you to save your movie and what to save it as, where, etc. So I'll just do that really fast. You can also choose a preset, and in Express or Pro you can actually make your own preset, which is a nice feature. Okay, so here I am. Here's the main window. You have your source here, which for me is the built-in eyesight because I don't have any other camera plugged in right now. Your orientation, noise reduction. I like the settings because you can actually change the hue, the saturation, exposure, sharpness, and so on. And you can choose your recording mode, and you can also record a time lapse. So for those of you who don't know, there's in iStopMotion you can either record stop motion movies or a time lapse movie. Stop motion movies are basically, that's how you record like claymation movies that they have, where you just record single frames and move an object. And so I'll show you an example. They have examples on their website so you can see all these, but this is the video of the day. You can add sound effects with Express or Pro, so that's how they added sound effects. And you can see you can make a really nice movie with this. Obviously that took a lot of time to make. But yeah, that's just a little example. And so a time lapse is basically you can film something like you cleaning your room, and you can set it to capture a picture every few seconds, so it'll be sped up. And yeah, so those are your recording options. Down here I can take a picture, so I know this is going to be a bad example, but let's say I want to do a picture, like a video of this eraser moving from this part to this part of my hand. So I'll capture it here. And here you can see when I move the object, it has the frame before it, the overlay feature here, onion skinning. And you can change how much you want to see. It's going to be really bad because my hand's moving, but okay, yeah, I know that's pathetic, but so here, when I go to my frames, when you hover over them, they're magnified, which is good because in a stop motion movie, you're going to have a lot of frames. So I'll go back and I'll play it. And you saw that it does render for a little bit, but it takes no time. And so that's what it's like to actually record the movie. Under the View tab, you can basically just do things to help this view here. So change speed, slower, fast, for blinking, so you can see what the frame was before and what it is now. Onion skinning, rotoscoping, which is good for if you're going to make a movie and you want to have your little action figures mouth move and talk, it's easier. Zoom in, you can go to overlay and click show aspect ratio, so if you want to record in widescreen you can see what part of your movie will be cut out when you export it. And grid, you can adjust a grid to make it easier for certain movies. So you can actually go, this application isn't very, I mean it's easy to use, but there's a lot of things that you can do with it. Compositioning is my favorite feature. So iStopMotion has green screen support, but if you don't have a green screen, you can always change the foreground. So let's say red curtain set as foreground, and you get a live preview. That's what it will look like. Frame, the spaceship thing. And in iStopMotion Pro or Express, you can actually import your own picture for your foreground or background. Background I can't really show you because you do need green screen, but just to get an idea. I mean, it kind of works, but not really because it kind of took out my hair and stuff, but you can chroma key here and change the color you want. And that's pretty much it for the actual editing part of this application. Next thing, it's got some other features. So if I go to File, Export, obviously you want to export your movie, and you have all these different presets. And then when you choose one, say QuickTime Movie, you can customize your settings. Exporting is really fast. Another great feature that they included is that you can actually print a flip book of your movie. So if you don't want it to be in video form, you can use an old-fashioned flip book type thing. It'll print it out, print out all the frames, and in an easy way to make a flip book out of, you just print it and you can choose your printer and so on. So that's it for my review of this application. It's definitely worth it if you're going to be making stop motion videos. If you're not, then obviously you don't want to buy it, but I think it's a great application for what it does. And this video is a giveaway video. So I have reviewed 6 applications, including this one for the Mac, and I've said previously that I'm going to give away a license to each of them. So the applications, I have it all written down here. The applications I'm giving away are Little Snapper, Pulp Motion Advanced, Rapid Weaver, Photo Presenter, Banner Zest Pro, and iStopMotion, which is one I'm using right now. And, oh yeah, iStopMotion Express, not iStopMotion Home. And to get in on the giveaway, all you have to do is comment with the application that you want to win, dash, and then obviously a comment. I'm not going to count it if it's not an actual comment. If you just write like Little Snapper dash hello, I'm not counting. If you write Little Snapper dash nice video, my favorite part of the application is whatever, then I'll count it. So you get what I mean by an actual comment. You can enter for every application, just I guess that would be 6 comments. So Little Snapper dash and then your comment, another comment, Pulp Motion Advanced dash and comment. And if you forgot what any of the applications do, I'll have a link to every video I've made for those applications in the description that way. And yep, that's pretty much how it's going to work. And in the video where I announce the winners, I'll tell you exactly how I chose them. Don't worry, it's completely fair. So thanks for watching this iStopMotion review. Great application, and for more information you can visit Boinx's website, which I'll have in the description.